Meet John. He'd love to sell his products and services to clients around the world who need them. But that would mean translating his website, and he's on a budget. Would the investment really pay off? Susan is the CEO of a global company with branches in 35 countries. She worries that language and cultural barriers may be blocking her company's message from reaching clients and employees. But how can she possibly control accuracy and consistency in so many different languages? And here's Mike. He's stressed out because his boss just told him he needs to get a press release into Spanish, French, German, Russian, and Chinese. It needs to be on his desk by tomorrow morning. And of course the results have to be top-notch, as usual. How do translation agencies handle these challenges? The traditional approach is to see quality, speed, and price as irreconcilable pieces of a puzzle. If a client wants fast results, quality will suffer and costs will go up. If high-quality results are required, expect long turnarounds and, you guessed it, a hefty price tag. And cheap translations are usually so riddled with problems, they're a source of unending frustration. Flagship Translations changes all that. We leverage cutting-edge crowdsourcing technology so that experienced native linguists can collaborate worldwide as part of scalable teams. Translators and reviewers work simultaneously, sharing glossaries and resources live. So no matter how large or complicated a project, it's always delivered fast, to the highest standards of quality, and without breaking the bank. That way, John, Susan, and Mike can stop worrying about their multilingual documentation problems, go back to what they do best, and enjoy the results.